Good day, everyone. This is Group 8, and today we're going to talk about measurements in the kitchen and converting measurements. With the title, The Application of Kitchen Mathematics in Our Daily Activities, with the theme, Conversion and Measuring. There is math in our kitchens. Before anything else, these are the objectives for today's discussion. First is to explore the different types of measurements and conversions in our kitchen. Second is to calculate percentage and estimations in practical kitchen situation. And lastly, to demonstrate these knowledges using different kinds of tools and equipments in the kitchen. And this is our conceptual framework.
Hey ladies, what are you doing?
We're just reviewing something. Nothing.
I used to be good at math. Tell me, what is it about?
Measurements in the kitchen and converting measurements.
Okay, what about you watch us when we make a report and you can help us as well? I'm down for discussing the measurement, and then you Trina can follow me, and then can you tell me more about it?
Okay, go on.
Basically, measurement is a great way to save time and get fit, but it can be also confusing. Today, let us discuss measurements in the kitchen and converting measurements. What is measurement? Measurement is defined as a system or act of measuring. It can be understood as a process of defining physical items using numbers. Also in mathematics, measurement is often considered as a separate branch as it includes a wide range of knowledge including conversion, units, measuring length, mass, time, etc. These are the 7 basic units of measurements.
Mathematical structure in kitchen. First, equal spacing is the foundation of understanding units and measurement. It is also an essential prerequisite for fractions and data representation. Second, equal groups. The structure of equal groups is the foundation of our base 10-number system of the bases of multiplication. Third, partitioning. It happens naturally in variety of culinary math situations, such as dividing an object into parts of equal size and fractions. The structure we covered that far are all connected. You all discovered that creating equal groups or equal spacing is frequently necessary for dividing.
Volume measurement is the measure of how much space something occupies. Let's go through volume units commonly used in food preparation. For small volumes, some examples consist of teaspoon or TSP and tablespoon or TBSP. These kitchen tools are used to measure small volumes. Please note the milliliter or ml equivalents. For medium-sized volumes, some examples consist of fluid ounce, cupped, or pint. In fluid ounces and pints, the red line represents the 8 fluid ounce volume of a cup. Lastly, for medium to large volumes, some examples consist of quart or gallon. Relative volumes of a pint, quart, and gallon. All of these measuring tools work great for weighing out liquids or fine granular items like spices. Measuring liquids or minute granular materials like spices. Here is where mass measurements come into play. Cups of chopped walnuts or solid chocolate can be measured to produce incredibly accurate results. Mass measurements is used to measure the weight of an object. Mass is a physical quantity. Mass is measured in terms of the weight of a body. Gram, kilogram, and pounds are some standard mass units to measure it. For example, you are measuring the mass of your body when you step onto a scale. And the metric system of measurement, the most common units of mass are the gram and kilogram.
Hey Jade, what are you doing?
I'm obviously reviewing something. Math thing.
Good for you! I thought you didn't like studying. You were sleeping the whole time we were studying last night.
I'm not letting this subject fail me from graduating, Kat. I am getting out of this school and I need to graduate by doing that.
I know. Then what about we review together? You can go on first, and then I'll add to your topic.
Conversions. A conversions factor is a number used to change one set of units to another by multiplying or dividing. When a conversion is necessary, the appropriate conversion factor to an equal value must be used.
For example, to convert inches to feet, the appropriate conversion value is 12 inches equal 1 foot. Volume conversion. Conversion volume is the total number of conversions or total monetary value of conversions in a given time period. Let's have an example wherein we will convert 1 cubic yard into cubic feet. Formula: 1 yard equals 3 feet. The length conversion is multiplied by 3, and the volume conversion must be to multiply by 3 and multiply by 3 again, and then multiply by 3 once again, once of each length, width, and height. The result is 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. Therefore, there are 27 cubic feet in a cubic yard. Mass conversions. Mass is measured in terms of weight of a body. There are various conversion metric units of mass, and this includes kilograms, grams, and micrograms. For instance, 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1,000 grams. 1 gram is equivalent to 1,000 micrograms, which means is 1 kilogram is equal to 1 million micrograms.
What is conversion of units? The use of a unit depends on the situation, such as the area of a room is expressed in meters, but the length of a pencil is expressed in centimeters, and its thickness in millimeters. Thus, we need to convert one unit to another. Before understanding the concept of conversion of units, we need to understand the relationship between units. Length and mass conversions. Mensuration is an ancient concept. Every physical quantity like length, mass, time, temperature, and etc. have a specific unit. By definition, a unit is a magnitude of physical quantity. These are the two systems of unit. First is the SI unit, or the International System of Units, and second is the metric system. This is a table for length conversions. The conversion of units related to length can be represented as the figure shown. The length conversion is given in the figure presented. The relation between adjacent unit varies by the multiple of 10, moving left to the right and vice versa. Example, moving right to the left. Table of mass conversions. The conversion of mass or weight can be done as shown in the figure represented. The below table helps to understand the conversion of units for mass. Unit conversion table. Let's have a look of some basic unit conversions of mass and length. In mathematics, we also come across time-related problems, for example, simple and compound interest, speed and distance, work, and etc. The below table shows the conversion of units for time. In geometry, we deal with many problems of finding the area and the perimeter of shapes. In such cases, one may need to convert the units of measures of the area. The below table helps in such types of conversions.